Hi guys, this video is to show you how to make your Google Documents or Google Slides or anything Google related available to your teacher. That way they don't have to ask you for access in order to grade it. What you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top right corner and hit the button that says Share. All Google formatting looks the same across all of the different types of documents. You're going to click Share. Now on here, it prompts you to type in names or email addresses. You do not want to do this because this will send emails to all the people that you are trying to share it with, and your teachers are going to end up with a lot of emails and it gets complicated. So what you want to do is come down here to Advanced. When you click on Advanced, it shows you who has access. It says I have access, and it says that it's private. Only I am allowed to see this document. What I want to do is change this. And for the purposes of at-home learning, you are going to change this to anyone at AISD with the link, because all of your teachers have AISD accounts, and if you send them the link, they should be able to automatically open it just with that link. So we're going to change this to anyone on AISD with the link, and we are going to save. Okay, then this is the link that you will send them. So it automatically highlights it for you. You just copy that. You're going to go back to your back to your Canvas page where you're entering in the URL, and you're going to paste that there. And then as soon as your teacher gets it, she can click on that link. She or he can click on that link and immediately get to your Google Doc. All right, you guys have a great day.